Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're making Filipino chocolate crinkles. Now what do we need? That's chocolatey in my hand.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Group Heroics. Today we're going to be baking a delicious treat that's perfect for the holiday season or any occasion. Filipino chocolate crinkles. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 cups granulated sugar, a half teaspoon salt, a half cup vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of powdered sugar for rolling. Why don't you start by dumping the 2 cups of flour into this large bowl. 1.5 cups of sugar. Next, dump the 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add the 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add the half teaspoon of salt.
It's so tiny. Can I mix it? Looks so good. Looks like cinnamon, Dad.
Now we need to add the oil, the eggs, and the vanilla extract and mix until it's well combined. We're gonna mix up these eggs first. You wanna dump these in when they're ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's a half cup of oil.
I dump it?
Yep. Here is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right, now we gotta mix it all together. This looks good. It smells good.
Yeah. It looks delicious, Dad.
You wanna take some of this dough, make a 1-inch ball, like this. Your hands are gonna get very dirty.
My hands?
Yep, and then you dip it in the powdered sugar.
Huh? It's very sticky. Just very dirty and sticky.
Sure is. You don't want to like squeeze it in your hand. You just want to roll it like this.
Yeah, I know, but it's getting dirty.
Yeah. There. Roll it together like this. Just don't push on it. Just roll it. You just dump it in here like this. And put it on the pan. So a little bit of water on your hands really helps to keep these from sticking to your hands. It smells really good. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 to 15 minutes. These smell so good. That's a wrap on our Filipino chocolate crinkles recipe. We hope you savored every bite of this delicious and easy to make dessert. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cooking and baking inspiration. Join us next week as we whip up a sweet and tropical treat, the pineapple upside down cake. Cheers. Are you gonna take mine? Okay.
So sugary.
It is very sugary.
Yeah.
Tastes a lot like a brownie. I can see why these are so popular. Do you like it?
Yeah.
See you next time. Thanks for watching.